case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2008, the Court of Appeals of Virginia heard the case of Penley v. Commonwealth, which centered around the illegal acquisition of utility services. The defendant was accused of installing an illegal meter at his home and subsequently obtaining utilities fraudulently. Dominion Virginia Power discovered the meter and reported it to the police. During the trial, the defendant argued that there was insufficient evidence to prove that he had obtained over $200 worth of utility services and that the court should have struck down the Commonwealth's case. The court ruled that only the value of the electricity used should factor into the calculations, not the additional costs and expenses incurred by the power company. Although the court initially denied the defendant's motion and convicted him of utility fraud, this decision was ultimately reversed. The court determined that the value of the stolen services should solely comprise the electricity used, excluding any further costs. As a result, the defendant's conviction was reversed, and the case was remanded for a new sentencing proceeding on a lesser offense.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.